Hi friends and welcome! You're in for a lot of fun with this course about prompt engineering with generative AI. And with someone whose initials are AI. I'm Amber Israelson. Let's start with a story. The other day, a friend and former coworker named Ravi sent me this text. Hey, I'm in Seattle for meetings today. What's a good place for dinner? So many. What are you in the mood for? Most anything. Dine in, take out. Dine in. But nothing too fancy. How about seafood? Good seafood here. Nah, I guess not seafood. Fusion? Nah, not that either. Smiley face. There's a good Thai place by Lake Union. How far is that? Where are you? In Bellevue. Oh, that's probably too far away then. I'm staying on Main Street by my office. What's around there? How about Italian? Love Italian. There's a place called Luigi's near you. Amazing. Awesome, thanks. I'll check it out. Whew. I don't know about you, but I was a little exhausted after this exchange. Hopefully, at least Ravi ended up having a nice dinner. But you might be thinking, okay, Amber, that was interesting, but what does that have to do with prompt engineering? Well, I'm glad you asked.